cannot tell you how much it improves a space to simply change the hardware. Hi, I'm Paige Killian, and I'm passionate about helping busy moms of littles get organized in 3 simple steps. So here's today's organization motivation. All right, so we've got another space that we worked on in the upstairs in my parents' home, and I wanted to share with you some of the updates. So this used to be my brother's space. Now would be the time for you to take a look at the hideous befores. And then I'm actually going to be showing you now what we've done. So the first thing we wanted to do was pull a little bit of this rich blue and repaint the cabinets that color. And so there's just a really pretty, if you see the vein in this, it was worth saving. We wanted to do it on a budget, so it was not necessary for us to have all new countertops. So we saved that, and we just got a complementing color, and I cannot tell you how much it improves a space to simply change the hardware. So we definitely changed the outlet switches, the light switches, the outlet covers. We definitely came in and changed the hardware for the towel racks and things. Obviously our cabinet pulls here, we wanted to do a different light that had that silver in it. I was able to find this awesome mirror for a steal at Home Goods, and we just kept it nice and fresh with some white towels. This is so great for a guest space because it's easy just to throw those white towels in there and keep those nice and bright white. We did obviously a new shower curtain, a cozy little rug that you can step out of the shower and stand on. And then additionally, I wanted to just show you, of course, I'm going to bring in some organization into the space. So this is now how all of our stuff is being housed. So we wanted to do some lower baskets here. These have like tooth care products. These things have things that you can brush your teeth with. These are additional things that you just need on the go. And then these are some of the larger things like blow dryers and curling irons. And obviously we've got some toilet paper to make sure that you have for your guests so they can replenish it themselves and they don't have to ask you. So this is the completely redone on a budget upstairs that we are very much enjoying, and we love staying in this space every time we come back to visit the grandparents. So if you're trying to figure out what you can do to maximize your space and make sure that it is bright and light, it is such a great idea to just go find a beautiful wall color. Really love Repose Gray. Sherwin-Williams has got plenty of different options for you. Pick a darker cabinet color. We originally were kind of thinking we were going to go with a white, but I just felt like having so much traffic in here with the grandkids, it might be a better option to go with a darker color, and we really loved this one. So we also refreshed everything with bright white paint, like our door frames. We did it with the satin finish, and it looks really nice, again, with all of the white little touches. So the last thing I want to say is make sure you're personalizing your space, and in some of the other areas up here, we brought in old baby pictures and photos of us as kids. It was only fitting that we put a bathtub photo. This was us whenever we were taking our baths when we were little, and you can see that apparently that was the time that the first Disney Aladdin came out, because that's the genie in the background. But it only seemed right to put something fun like that in the space. So make sure you're personalizing your space whenever you're thinking about how to give it a fresh update. It's always fun, and it feels really nostalgic every time we come home to see my parents. So again, stick with your 3 E's. Do a great purge at first. Sell or donate those items you're not using. And finally, put in the proper style and organization bins that are going to serve you best. This is how we organize and style our space in 3 simple steps.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah. Rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, and reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rocking and a rolling. Yeah, yeah. I saw the whole gang dancing on my living room rug. Yeah, flip-flop.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. For more resources to organize and style your busy life in 3 simple steps, head over to everythingwithstyle.com and connect with me on Instagram at everythingwithstylemom. Don't forget to check out the Mom's Organization Motivation podcast over on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, any of your favorite platforms. And if you loved this video, it would make me so happy if you would subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and happy organizing.